Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video guys is just going to be a truth about the Dooney and Bourke leather signature strap. So I just wanted to come and give you my honest opinion since unboxing the Cameron crossbody that this guitar strap came with. So as you can see, it is a branded, very thick, and I will admit very beautiful strap. This was a very nice try by Dooney and Bourke, but again, I'm going to tell you my honest opinion after carrying this strap and also just trying it on different bags. So what I will do first is I'm just going to share with you some of the bags that I thought that I would pair it with, but I will let you know at the end of the video if this strap is indeed a hit or a miss for me. So let's get into the bags that I thought that I would pair this absolutely gorgeous strap with. Okay, so the first bag that I thought that I would pair this beautiful strap with is my Dooney and Bourke Florentine leather Tilton bag. And this is a bag that I use for travel a lot, and I thought that it would be perfect to replace the strap that already comes with the bag, and that is this webbed strap, which is, I would say, perfect for this bag. It is very comfortable, it is adjustable, and I thought that the signature strap would be a nice little touch just to spice up the bag just a bit. So let me do some quick mod shots to show you exactly how this strap fits with this bag. Okay guys, so here is the guitar strap on the Tilton, and this is actually one of the bags that I initially thought of when I received the strap. But as you can see, extremely long. It is being carried on the shoulder. It comes down to about my knees, and I am about 5'6", so not extremely short, but not the tallest girl either. Even if I switch it over crossbody, still a bit long. I would not carry it like this. I would go with the initial strap that came with the bag here. So here is the first look at the strap on the Tilton. So let's go to the next bag. Okay, so the next bag I wanted to try my signature strap on is my Dooney and Bourke pebbled leather Chelsea shopper in the color mint, because I thought that the strap would be a beautiful pair to the Sierra leather trim with the handles and also the strap on this bag. So let's take a look and see how the strap works. Okay guys, so here is how the strap looks being paired with the Chelsea shopper. Pretty much the same look and feel as it is on the Tilton. Still extremely long. This one doesn't hang down as far, but still pretty close to my knees here. And let's just try it crossbody to see if that makes a difference. Okay, so here she is being carried crossbody with the guitar strap, a smidget better, but again, I will not pair this strap with this particular bag. Still a little bit too long. Without it being adjustable, I mean, it probably will not work on most bags. Okay, so let's go on to the next bag to see if it's a better fit. Okay guys, so the next bag is of course the Dooney and Bourke medium Florentine leather satchel. And I know this is probably the style that most people planned to carry this strap with. And as you can see, it is almost a perfect complement to the color natural. So let's give this one a try to see how it looks on the body. Okay guys, so here is the strap on the Florentine satchel. This is the medium style. And though the strap is still long, I will say that this does feel a little bit better than the Tilton and the Chelsea. I still don't think I would wear it with this, but let's try it crossbody really quick to see if I get a different feel. Okay, so here it is being carried crossbody with the medium satchel. I would say still not 100% sold, but again, this is a better feel and a better fit than the Tilton and the Chelsea shopper. So let's go on to the next bag to see if we get a Goldilocks fit. Okay guys, so the next bag is the beautiful Florentine leather Buckley in the color natural. And as you can see, again, the strap is a beautiful complement. It's not an exact match, but it's still a beautiful complement to the natural color. So now let's take a look at the Buckley and see how it looks on the body. Okay guys, so here is the Buckley being carried with the guitar strap, and this one is a no as well. I get the same feel with this one that I did with the Tilton and the Chelsea. A definite no. Hangs down to my knees, as you can see. So a definite no for this one, but let's try it crossbody to give it a chance. Okay, here she is crossbody with the strap. Still a no-go for me. So you guys, I'm going to try one last bag and see how it works out. So let's get to the last bag. Okay guys, so this is the last bag, and I know we all purchased this strap, or most of us at least, purchased this strap to go with our larger bags because we were under the assumption that the Cameron crossbody that it was made for, that it was too small. So you know what, I thought that I would see if Dooney was on the right track with actually putting this strap on a smaller bag. So guys, let's see how this one works out. Okay guys, so here is the strap on the Rowan satchel in the Greta print, the color Brown Tomorrow. And you know what guys, I think that the smaller bags are the Goldilocks for this strap. That's just my opinion. And as you saw in my prior mod shots here, it didn't work. This is way above my knee, as you can see. It fits right at the hip. Right at the hip. So let's just try this crossbody to see what kind of fit I get crossbody. Alright guys, this is it. This is the Goldilocks fit, guys. This is very comfortable, especially being carried crossbody. I think it looks more natural, it looks more fitting than the larger bags. This is actually perfect, guys. As you can see, a very, very nice fit. It's not too low, it's not too high. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So anyway guys, I hope that you found this video helpful, and I am going to say my truth with the guitar strap is that Peter Dooney was right on the money with pairing this with smaller bags. So I guess I will be carrying this strap with some of my smaller crossbodies and not the larger bags that I initially picked the strap up for. So anyway guys, I hope you found this video helpful. I hope that you enjoy your strap, because I know many of you guys picked this up when it was $75 for the strap and the bag. So I hope that you enjoy your strap and are able to get some use out of it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.